Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG update. Alright, so this is a quick update on Grass Airdrop campaign. So this update is mainly for those of you participating in the Grass Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential grass token in the future. Alright guys, so you can see there is a recent announcement, and this announcement was posted on their official X account on the 12th of July 2024. It was yesterday. But currently guys, at the time of making this video, today's date is 13th of July 2024. So tomorrow Epoch 7. So this tomorrow is referring to today. So currently guys, at the time of making this video, Epoch 7 on grass close beta on, and you can participate in it. So for those of you that don't know what grass all about and how to participate in this campaign, I made a video about it, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video. I also made a video on how to connect your wallet to grass so you can watch it. So 3 weeks ago I made a video about grass and how to stay positioned for the airdrop. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video, so you can go through my channel and you can come across it. Go through my channel, click on search grass, then it's going to show you grass. So currently guys, we are in Epoch 7 and this may be the final Epoch on grass. So I started grass recently and I'm getting some points. So for those of you that don't know grass is, I'm going to explain it in a layman language. And so for those of you that normally browse the internet, you can participate in grass campaign. So instead of you maybe wasting your mobile data going through social media and the rest, you can just install grass extension. Then the more you keep using your internet, the more it's going to be converting it to grass point. Simplest layman language I can explain grass for you. So if you want to get more vital information about grass, please make sure to watch this. So you can see guys, I've talked about many projects. You can go through my channel to see how to participate in. So the most recent one which is currently trending is Grass Airdrop. So please make sure to watch it. This is mainly for Telegram users. Please make sure to get some vital information on how to stay positioned. So you don't even need to stress yourself to participate in the Grass Airdrop. What you just need is Telegram account at like 1 year plus, then you are going to qualify for the dog airdrop. Make sure to watch the video if you are interested. And this is what you need to know. Grass, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG update, the friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.